Namaskar, my name is Madhav Palamwar. Today in this class, we will learn how to solve the linear equations in two variables. There are two methods of solving this equation, simultaneous equation. First is elimination method and second is substitution method. In this class, we will learn the elimination method. Now in this we are given two equations, two simultaneous equation, 2x plus y is equal to 5 and another 3x minus y is equal to 5. Now if we eliminate one of the two variable, then we will get the another variable. So here we will add the equations 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get like this form, the y term plus and minus is there, so it will automatically get eliminated, and here by adding 2x and 3x we will get 5x, and here the addition 5 plus 5 10. Now to get the value of x here, we will divide 10 by 5. So by dividing this, we will get x is equal to 2. Now we have obtained one of the variable x is equal to 2. Now for finding the value of another variable, that is y, we will put the value of x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So here by putting the value of x is equal to 2 in equation 1, we will get 2x plus y is equal to 5. Now x is equal to 2 here, so this is 2 into 2 4 and y is equal to 5. Now this 4 will go on the right hand side, and here the sign will change. Whenever we are taking the value on the right hand side or left hand side of the is equal to sign, we must change the sign. So here it is y minus 4. So y minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 2 1 we will get. Here the value of x is 2 and y is 1. So answer we will write it as 2 1 is the solution of our given equation. Now whether this value of variables x and y, they are correct or not, we will put the values of x and y in any of the equation. So we will put in the left hand side of the equation 1. Here we will get 2 into 2 plus 1. So this is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, which is right hand side. So whatever the answer we have taken is correct. So like that way we will solve the equation. We will see another equation here. Second problem, x minus 2y is equal to minus 2, we will give number 1, x plus 2y is equal to 10, number 2. Now here also we will eliminate one of the term. So by adding these two equations, the y will get eliminated like this here. So adding this y term will get eliminated, and x plus x, so coefficient of x is here 1, here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2x is equal to 10 minus 2. So it is 8. So for finding the value of x, we will divide 8 by 2. So here we will get x is equal to 4. Now one of the we have got the value of one of the variable. So to find the value of another variable, we will put the value of x is equal to 4 in equation 1. You can put the value in 1 or 2, whatever is you will like. So here x is equal to 4, we put the value of x is equal to 4 in equation 1. So equation 1 will give 4 minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Now here this is very important. Minus 2y is on the left side. We have moved 4 on the right hand side of the equal to sign. So here this 4 will change to minus 4. Now what the student do? They generally change the here sign of 2. They put here plus 2. So whichever the number you are taking from the equal to sign, that only you have to change the sign. So here minus 2 and minus 4. So we will get y is equal to, now minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Minus minus will become plus, but the sign is minus, and divided by minus 2. Again here minus divided by minus will become plus. So here the value of y is 3. So 4, 3 is the solution of the given equation. Now again we will check out whether the values of x and y are correct. So we will put those value in the left hand side of equation 1. So here we get 4 minus 2 into 3 is 6. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So this is equal to right hand side. So our whatever the we have find out the value of x and y, they are correct. So this is the simple method of elimination for finding the simultaneous equation. Thank you.